India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a 2-day visit to the state of Sikkim. His visit marks the culmination of Sikkim's 50th year of statehood. At Paljor Stadium, the venue of the celebration, the Prime Minister inaugurated, launched and laid the foundation stone for projects worth over 4,000 crore rupees. The initiatives span infrastructure, connectivity, healthcare, education, power, tourism and agriculture, aimed at accelerating overall development in the state. The celebration was also marked by vibrant cultural performances.
और मैं जो भी कोरियोग्राफी करने वाले लोग होंगे, जो भी गाने वाले लोग होंगे, सबको बधाई देता हूं। आज सिक्किम ने एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के दर्शन करा दिए। उन्होंने इस छोटे से कार्यक्रम में पूरा हिंदुस्तान आंखों के सामने खड़ा कर दिया। वाकई आपने दिल जीत लिया। यही तो भारत भक्ति होती है, यही तो देशभक्ति होती है। नई पीढ़ी में इसी से देशभक्ति के भाव जगते हैं।
Addressing the gathering, Modi praised Sikkim's cleanliness.
कल शाम को जो रोड शो हुआ, मैं उसे भी अब तक भूल नहीं पाया हूं और शायद कभी नहीं भूल पाऊंगा। और जो एक सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे पूरे रास्ते पर दिखी, वो थी सिक्किम की सड़कों की स्वच्छता। दूर दूर तक कोई गंदगी नहीं। सिक्किम के आप लोग प्रकृति के पक्के वाले संरक्षक हैं, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है।
Key announcements included new healthcare facilities such as an Ayurveda hospital in Yangon and Sowa Rigpa Hospital in Deorali, along with multiple educational institutions, including the permanent campus of Sikkim University and new colleges across districts. Earlier, the Prime Minister visited an orchid center developed to showcase Sikkim's biodiversity and ecological heritage. PM Modi was accompanied by Sikkim Governor Om Prakash Mathur and CM Prem Singh Tamang. The facility highlights the state's long-standing emphasis on environmental conservation.
मैं देश भर के टूरिस्टों को, प्रकृति प्रेमी टूरिस्टों को, अगर उन्होंने सिक्किम का ये ऑर्किड नहीं देखा है तो कुछ भी नहीं देखा है। और मुझे विश्वास है कि इस बार टूरिस्ट सिक्किम के टूरिज्म के सारे आंकड़े इस बार पार कर देंगे।
Alongside official engagements, visuals of the Prime Minister playing football with local youngsters gained traction online. PM Modi was seen participating in a casual game, interacting with children and taking a shot at goal. The moment generated widespread reactions, with many users linking the football appearance to the sport's popularity in eastern India. The Prime Minister led a mega roadshow in Gangtok, drawing large crowds along the route. The Prime Minister was seen donning a traditional bhutia cap and a lepcha coat reflecting the region's cultural heritage. Hundreds gathered to catch a glimpse of him, turning the event into a vibrant show of local enthusiasm and political energy. Officials say the newly announced projects are expected to strengthen infrastructure, improve public services, and support sustainable growth in the Himalayan state.
The world doesn't fit in boxes, so why should your news? From battlefields to negotiation tables, from internet outrage to real-world injustice. The conversations everyone is having and the ones they're avoiding. It's the same show, but this new year, First Post America gets a new look. I'm Kerry Johnston, and this is First Post America.